Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 40R, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen like so, and you want to do that once more. This will show you a bunch of toggles. Now one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. Let's see if I can actually find it. Okay, so I don't see it by default, so we're going to click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and here we have toggles that are turned off, and there we go. Screen recorder is visible right here. So you want to hold it, and text right here will change, so we're going to now drag it above that text, and when we go back, come on, there we go, we should have it added on one of the pages, and it's right over here. Now once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It starts a countdown and then it begins recording. Once you click on this little, whatever you want to call it, square right here in this window, it will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application. And you can see it right at the front, as you can see today. So this is the screen recording. You can also navigate into library, and it looks like it's stored under camera for some dumb reason, which means that it will be a little bit harder to find your screen recordings later on down the line when you also have some photos in here, as it will be mixed up with those as well. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.